need some food to eat. Huh? What is this? Some snacks? I just find some chips here, and everything are just junk food. I think I should make something special and of course healthy. Aha! A traditional cake. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ancilla. So today I want to make a traditional cake from Indonesia called KLEPON. But I don't want to make ordinary KLEPON. I want to make it special and amazing. So let's make chocolate KLEPON. But first, let me tell you the ingredients. The ingredients are glutinous rice flour, grated coconut, 1 potatoes, 2 jilid, and then a cup of sugar and salt. And we need some water, green food coloring, and chocolate pieces. And then the tools are cutting board, knife, strainer, and spoon. And then plates, bowl, pan, and the last one we need stove. So let's get together with me. The first steps are put the pan into the stove, then fill it with water. Then put the potatoes, then boil it for about 10 until 15 minutes. While boil the potatoes, let's cut the chocolate. Cut the chocolate into small pieces with using a knife. And then, after the potatoes soft, then mash it until it becomes like this. And the next steps are pour the glutinous rice flour into the bowl. And add the mashed potatoes with using a spoon. Add water and green food coloring little by little. Then knead it until the dough becomes smooth. Like this. Then mold the dough into a round shape. And fill it with chocolate pieces. Then put it in boiling water. And after it's cooked, drain the KLEPON. and sprinkle with grated coconut. To make it more beautiful, cut the suji leaf, then put it on top. Ta-da! The KLEPON is ready to be served. Let's try a little bit. I can feel the chocolate melting inside, blend with the coconut. I actually love to talk with you here more, but I think I prefer to enjoying this KLEPON more. So, see you next time. Bye.